When it comes to road construction, material selection for embankment layers isn't just a box-ticking exercise, it's the foundation, quite literally, for a stable, long-lasting road. Get it wrong, and you'll be dealing with cracks, sinking, or, worse, costly repairs down the line. So let me break down what you need to know, step by step. First off, any material you choose for an embankment has to tick some universal boxes. It needs enough shear strength and stability to support the road and all the traffic that'll pound across it. It should compact easily. Think 95 to 100% of maximum dry density from a Proctor test. Low plasticity is key too, to avoid swelling or shrinkage as the moisture changes. Good drainage is non-negotiable. Water pooling in your embankment is a recipe for disaster. And, of course, durability matters. You want materials that won't break down under weather or chemical attack. If you can find something local that fits the bill, all the better. It'll save your budget a headache. Now, what works best? Granular soils are the gold standard. Well-graded sand, gravel, or a mix like sandy loam or gravelly sand offer high strength, low plasticity, and excellent drainage. Crushed stone, river sand, or quarry materials are your go-tos, especially for high embankments or roads built for heavy traffic. If you're scraping the barrel for resources, cohesive soils, like clay or silt, can sometimes work, but only if the plasticity isn't too high and you keep moisture tightly controlled. These are better for low embankments, and always remember, they drain poorly, so extra measures might be needed. Mixed soils, think sandy clay or silty sand, strike a balance and are often used when you're leveraging what's locally available. For serious load-bearing needs, rock fill's an option, but you'll need smaller particles to fill the voids and avoid uneven settling. Steer clear of organic soils, highly plastic clays, contaminated ground, silts that won't compact, or random boulders, unless you've got a plan to treat or process them. These materials spell trouble, instability, swelling, and unpredictable behavior under load. Before anything makes it into your embankment, test it. Sieve analysis for gradation, Atterberg limits for plasticity, Proctor for compaction, CBR for strength, permeability checks for drainage, and shear strength tests to keep things from sliding. Stick to standards, AASHTO, ASTM, or your local specs. In Cambodia, for example, the MPWT guidelines are your friend. And don't forget the practical side: blend materials if your local soil's not quite right. Stabilize weak soils with lime or cement, and always match your compaction equipment to your material type. Quality control during construction is your insurance policy. Test early, test often. So next time you're selecting embankment materials, remember, it's not just about what you can get, but what will stand the test of time and traffic. Your future self and every driver on that road will thank you.